Friends, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. So I am going to explain another sum. Right. Please subscribe our channel. Which are the following transition in hydrogen atom absorbs the photon of highest frequency? What is that? Once again, which of the following transition in hydrogen atom absorbs the photon of highest frequency? Right. Here this is not a emission. So this is a absorption. This is a absorption. Absorption means lower energy level to higher energy level. Absorption means lower energy level to higher energy level. Lower energy level to higher energy level. Emission means higher energy level to lower energy level. So here absorption is given. So in these answers eliminate one by one. So this is the 6 to 2. This is highest to low, high to low. This is not, this is emission, and this is also high to low. This is also emission. So this is n is equal to 1 to 2, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 6. So this is also low to high, this is also low to high. So once again, in this sum, what is asking? Absorption. Okay, absorption of energy. So absorption of energy means absorb energy means when the electron jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level. The electron can jump from lower energy level to higher energy level by absorb the energy. When the electron can jump from higher energy level to lower energy level, emission of energy can take place. When the electron can jump from higher energy level to lower energy level, emission of energy takes place. But when the electron can jump from lower to higher by absorbing the energy, right? So these two are eliminated. This is higher to low. High to low means emission. This is also high to low, that is emission. Now remaining two answers are there. This is n is equal to 1 to 2, n is equal to 2. So this is a Lyman series. So this is n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 6. So this is Balmer, right, absorption, right, and right. So n is equal to 1, 2, right. These are energy levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that the energy gap between 1 and 2, the energy gap between 1 and 2 is 10.2. The energy level, so the energy gap between two energy levels is 10.2. Like this is 13.6. This is 3.4 minus 3 point, and so on, right? This is 1.5 minus 1.5. So here the energy gap is decreases from top from Lyman from 1 to higher energy level. Here the energy gap is decreases from lower energy level to higher energy level. So which is having higher energy gap? 2 to 1 having higher energy. 2 to 1 having higher energy gap. And 3 to 4, this is also very less, like 2.2. Right, 2.2 its energy gap. So it is also very less. Okay. And what is the right answer? N is equal to 1 to 2. That is the high energy gap. Okay. The electron can jump from 1 to 2, it absorbing high energy. But 2 to 6, here 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, its energy gap is very less, 2.2, like next to 0.88. So that are very small values. When these all values are added, that is less than the 10.2. So which is the right answer? So n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2. So that is the right answer. Its energy gap is very high. When the electron can jump from 1 to 2, it absorbs high amount of energy. Absorbs the photon of highest frequency. Highest frequency means highest energy. Energy E is equal to h nu. Frequency and energy, which relation? Directly relation. But n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 6. So 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, like this is the absorption, right? Right. So 2 to 6, 2 to 6. All these energy gaps are very, very less. This is already right in previous videos. These values. This is 2.2. This is 0.66. All these are very less values. The sum of these all these less values are very less when compared to 10.2. So this is wrong. And what is the right answer? N is equal to 1 to n is equal to, that is the right answer. Next I am going to explain another sum. So right. So what is the sum? Hydrogen atoms are excited to n is equal to 4 state. N is equal to 4 state. Full stop. In the spectrum of emitted radiation, number of lines in the UV visible regions, UV visible regions are respectively. So here answers are given 3:1, 1:3, 2:3, like 3:2. So what is given? This is the emitted radiation, emitted spectrum, in which region is given? UV and visible. UV means Lyman series. Visible means Balmer series. Okay. In per Lyman series, N1 value 1. So per Balmer series, N1 value 2. So in the hydrogen spectrum, per Lyman series, N1 can be taken as 1. N1 can be in visible region. For Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2. Right? Right. So hydrogen atoms are excited to n is equal to 4 state to n is equal to 4 state. In the spectrum of emitted radiation, number of lines in the UV and visible region are respectively. Right. So n is equal to 4. This is 1. So this is 2. This is 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Okay, we want to n is equal to 4. This is 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. So we want to n is equal to 4. So hydrogen atoms are excited in n is equal to 4 state. This is the n is equal to 4 state. Now in the spectrum of emitted radiation, these are emitted, right? 1 emitted radiation in Lyman series. UV region is obtained. So 4 to 2, 3 to 2. So when the electron jumps from 4 to 2, 3 to 2. So visible region is obtained. So in Balmer series. So in UV region, how many spectral lines are obtained? 3 spectral lines. 1, 2, 3. In visible region, how many spectral lines are obtained? 2 spectral lines. 1, 2. So this is the answer. 3:2. So this is not. So once again, hydrogen atoms are excited to n is equal to 4 state. In the spectrum of emitted radiation, number of lines in the UV and visible regions respectively. So once again, listen to me, right? So this is the UV region. In Lyman, UV region is obtained in Lyman series. So in visible region is obtained in Balmer series, right? Right. In Balmer series, visible region is obtained. Sorry, right. Right. N is equal to exit state is n is equal 4. So that can be written n is equal 4. Here also n is equal 4 can be written. For Lyman series, n1 is equal to 1. For Balmer series, n1 is equal to 2. So how many transitions are possible? 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1. Here 4 to 2, 3 to 2. So how many spectral lines? 1, 2, 3. How many spectral lines? 1, 2. So 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Next, I am going to explain another sum. Right. This question is also asked in so many chemistry entrance exams. Right. What is the difference in wavelength of 4th and 5th lines of Balmer series in the spectrum of hydrogen atom? So this is the Balmer series. Balmer series. Balmer series means its n1 value can be taken 2. This is 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7, right? So for Balmer series, n1 value can taken as 2, right? N2 are higher energy levels, right? So here the transition from so this is the first line. This is the first line. First line 3 to 2. Second line 4 to 2. Second line 4 to 2. Third line 5 to 2. Third line 5 to 2. Fourth line this first, second, third, fourth. Fourth line 6th to 2. Fifth line, what is the fifth line? 7th to 2. So these are the lines. So this is the Balmer series. For Balmer series, n1 value can take in as 2, n2 value are higher energy levels like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the first line, H alpha line, H beta, H gamma, H delta, and so on. So this is the, now these are the first and second, third, fourth, fifth lines. Wavelengths. What is asking in this sum? What is the difference in wavelength of 4th and 5th lines? 4th and 5th lines of Balmer series. Okay. Right. What is the formula of wavelength? Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay. Here lambda is there. Wavelength. Okay. Wavelength. Now we will calculate 4th line and later 5th line. So 1 by lambda of 4th is equal to RH into 1 by n1. What is n1 value? These are the n1 values. These are the n2 values. So n1 value, all transitions, what? 2. 1 by 2 square minus. So this is the 4th line. For 4th line, what is the n2 value? 6. 6. So 1 by 6 square, right? RH into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 36. What its LCM? 36. 4 9 ja minus 1. So what its lambda? 1 by lambda 4h is equal to 8 RH by 36. So 4, right, 9 1 ja. So okay, 4 2 ja, 4 9 ja, 2 by 9 RH. Now we want to lambda of 4th orbit is equal to 9 by 2 RH. This is for 4th orbit, wavelength of 4th orbit. Now we will find the wavelength of 5th orbit. Okay, 1 by lambda of fifth is equal to RH into 1 by N1. What is the 1 by N1? N1 value. So for N1 value, Balmer series N1 value is taken as 2. 1 by 2 squared minus. So this is the fifth line. For fifth line, N2 value is 7. So 1 by 7 square. Okay. This is the first line, second line, third, fourth, fifth, right? Fifth line, fourth and fifth. Right now, RH into 1 by 4, 1 by 49. So that means RH into 49 minus 4 by 49 into 4. So RH into 45. 4 9 ja 36, 3 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 19, 196. So 4 9 ja 36, 3 6 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 196. Now we want to lambda fifth h. So this is the 1 by lambda value. Now lambda h is equal to 196 by 45 RH, right? So what is asking? Difference between the wavelength of fourth and fifth. So difference means lambda fourth minus lambda fifth is equal to, so that is, what is that? 45 9 by 2 RH minus 196 by 45 RH. So RH can be taken as common, 1 by RH. So this 45 into 9, 45 into 9 minus 196 into 2 by, so 2 into 45, 90. So all these values are substituted. Finally, we got value, right? This is, in this way we will calculate the difference in wavelength of fourth and fifth lines in Balmer series. Okay, okay, right.